show because I'm an idiot. But today we're starting this thing. I hope my phone doesn't die while I'm recording this. Yes, we're gonna start this thing and bring it here.
Yes. Why is this door open though? I don't know that. That's weird. I think I'm gonna try to attach this, I don't know, homemade shovel thingy, but it's kind of heavy. So I'm gonna struggle with that a little bit. The tractor's gonna go here, should be enough space. Just move this a little bit. Well, that wasn't hard, I just couldn't find the reverse gear. Because apparently I don't know how reverse gears work on this thing anymore. Or that the gearbox might have been actually changed. Or just got clean, because it did not look like this before. Also, one of the engine mounts is missing. Also, what the hell is this welding? Bruh. Yeah, I don't know what the hell happened to this thing. I don't know, something changed. Work hour thingies here. I don't know. Oh, it's kind of warm. The transmission made some noise. I think it was the third gear. Don't remember. Also, when I started the tractor, I did not pump any fuel. Which, I don't know how good that is. Because, also this thingy is broken. This thingy that holds the bonnet. The generator actually is from the big tractor. What my dad told me, it's actually not from this tractor. Also, this is all very interesting information. Yes, I mean, it's kind of gone, but yeah. Also, what the freak has been going on here? What the hell is this? Oh my god. Yeah, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do with this part of the tractor. I'd like to replace the cab at some point, but you know, I'm broke. What the hell? Oh my god. What the fuck? This is so broken. What the fuck? Okay, the shovel's on. It's a little bit bent here, but that's alright. Okay, I'm not sure if the shovel is low enough, but I don't have a lot of time, so we're just gonna test this out real quick. Smexy. Turn this off. Make sure it's off.
just recorded the intro. Thanks for watching. We're gonna